Shouts of rainfall in the city of Abuja. This is joy. This is victory for me. I am jumping. I'm excited. Heavy downpour of rainfall. For farmers who love the harvest to be green. For environmentalists like me who like clean air. For those who suffer from insomnia, idiopathic insomnia, it's time to sleep and rest. Sleep like a baby and forget about your worries and your stress. For busy businessmen who like to travel, it's time to sleep in the aircraft, snoring away and avoiding the turbulence of trouble and unnecessary baggage, making you pay for excess baggage. It's time to drop down your stress, your worries. Forget about all those temptations. Be relaxed. Enjoy the waterfall. What a heavy downpour of rainfall. Just enjoy it. Thank you so much, Queen Amma. I love you all. Food for Thought Global Legacy. Don't forget to grab my book. It's a best-selling book, Ultimate Journey to Greatness. It's won different awards, Women of Excellence Award, Youth Motivator Award. Thank you, Queen Amma.